Hey kids, it's Mr. Amatrano. I'm here today to walk you through the steps of what you need to do when you are assigned a read aloud assignment in Wonders. Here's what you need to do. Once assigned, the student will see the work in the My Binder section of their Wonders account. When the student logs into their account, they'll see a notification indicator on the To Do circle. The student will click on To Do. Then, on the left, there will be a list of assignments. They will see the title of the assignment and instructions on the right, as well as a Make a Recording button, an Add a Resource button, a space to leave a note to the teacher, and a Submit button. When the student clicks on Make a Recording, two windows pop up. One is a window with a reading selection. The other is behind that window called Audio Recorder. This has a simple record button along with a time indicator and slider that appears when a recording has been made. To make a recording, the student will click the record button. They may need to be reminded to allow McGraw-Hill to access the microphone. Once the recording starts, the pause and finish buttons appear. The student would then switch over to the other window, where the reading is, do the reading, and then switch back to the audio recorder to pause or finish the recording. Once they click Finish, they have the opportunity to listen to what they recorded, attach it to the assignment, or redo it. They will then see the attached recording on the assignment detail page, add any necessary notes, and submit.